In this video I want to replace a bathroom blind. So that bathroom blind's a 60cm window, so what could go wrong? Well, actually it's not quite 60cm, so let's measure it. 597mm. So let's take this blind down. And this one's just a spring loaded mechanism, so I just push that in and rotate and that comes down. Okay, so what have we got here? Do not hang yourself warnings, warranty and installation. Okay. And reducing blind drop. So I'm going to need to do that because the blinds are too long for this window opening. Okay, so we can see that that's too wide, so let's take those end caps off and see how that goes. That's cool. So that fits. The blind's just a little bit too wide for the opening, so I'm going to have to trim them down. And we see they've got a slightly different connection method for hanging them up. The next thing to do is to offer your blinds up the way they're going to go. And we want the bottom bar to be about this one here. So I'm just going to bend that one and then we'll take out these slats that are on the bottom. So this is a blind cutter for aluminium blinds, and you can lift that up and move it along. And it says there the minimum is 20mm. So because I've got 60cm blinds and I want to trim off probably less than about 5mm, it's just not going to work with this blind cutter. So one thing I could do is just put the blind in just a little bit and just cut off, say, 5mm off the end. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off the distance from there to there. What's that? It's about, well, I guess it's saying that's 20mm. Looks less than 20mm. Looks like more like about 15. So all I'll do is just feed the blinds in. Probably better than curve side up. And we'll see how that goes. So careful not to bend the blind. So just feed that in, up against the edge, and cut. And then just take each one out. So again, we just feed that in and cut. Just watch, because these edges are quite sharp. So you can only feed in one at a time. And we'll just repeat that till the rest of them are all cut. So now I want to remove all these slats down to the bottom. So let me just pull out this little plug. And undo that knot. And just set that aside for the time being. And we repeat that on the other side. And we just pull out that string up to just above the slats we want to pull out, and that enables us to slide out all these slats. And then we just repeat the same with this bottom one after pulling out the string out the hole, but we keep this one. So I'll just bring all these blinds down and that just slides in like so. Next you want to feed this string back through the hole. Now this is where I do something that's a little bit different from the instructions. What they say is to cut down, leave 2 gaps here and cut down here. And I guess that's just probably in case you make a mistake I'm going to live dangerously. I know that this is going to be the right length, and it's really important, I guess, to get a really good pair of scissors. These happen to be IKEA scissors, and they're really good ones. But I can't seem to find these in IKEA anymore. So let's leave a little bit off of there and we'll snip. Again there, just leaving enough. And then we have to feed that through the hole. So now what I'm going to do is just pull that up, and I want to make a little knot. Let's just hang it. Let's see what that looks like. That seems to be hanging okay. We'll just cut the end off of that. And just to stop that from fraying, I'm just going to melt the end. So let's put this blind up. So I'm just going to remove these old clamps. Now looking inside these blinds, I know I've got a safe zone of about just over 80 millimetres. So when these go up, I want to make sure they don't come beyond that point, and I'm going to make sure they kind of like line up with the front there. Just going to alter it. The easiest way to put these up is probably just to put them all the way up, like so. And move these clips forward. Let's try and put this on. Now if you can't get these pushed in like that, just slacken these off. And just put something in there, just to lower these down a bit. And then 1 minute of truth. Lovely. All it really remains now is to shorten these strings, just to keep them away from kids. And just remember to make sure your blinds are fully down when you're doing this step, because the strings are at their shortest when the blinds are down. So I'll give me a knot in that one. Okay, that'll do me. Okay, so now that I'm happy with the length of these, let's just snip that off close to where the nut is. Okay. So next we lift this up and install the wand. Cool. Sorted. Cheerio.